Hello friends, myself Saurabh Raj. I am a global trainer for instrumentation design and SPI training courses. Today in this course we are going to discuss how to study piping and instrumentation diagram. We will let you learn that how to understand the piping and instrumentation diagram. So what are the topics we are going to cover under this courses, like P&ID drafting process. What is the drafting process involved to prepare the P&ID? That is BFT, block flow diagram, PFD, process flow diagram, and then after P&ID. We will discuss what is P&ID. We will discuss importance of the P&ID. What are the importance of the P&ID? And then after we will use of P&ID discuss in detail that where the P&ID is going to be used. So these are the introductions part of the this course, and then after the most important which we will learn you that how to read and understand line number on the P&ID, because for the instrumentation guys line number is very important, because for every data sheet you will have to fill the line number which you can get from the P&ID. So on the P&ID it is very important to learn that how to read the line number and what are the other information you can gather from the line number. Then after understanding of equipment symbols in P&ID, which symbols represent which kind of the equipments, that we will let you learn in this course. Then how to correlate notes with the given details note section. There are various places on the P&ID where notes are given. So what are the significance of those notes and how to read those notes with the given details note section, we will let you learn those things also. Understanding of instrumentation symbols and identification as per ISA 5.1 means what are the symbols and identifications we will use for the instrumentation on the P&ID, that will be as per ISA 5.1. We will let you know and understand. Then after symbols on P&ID, read and understand symbols on the P&ID. On the P&ID symbols are given, so you will be able to read and understand the symbols on the P&ID. Legends used for the control valve in the P&ID. Legends used for the temperature instrument in the P&ID, like how the temperature instrument will be represented in the P&ID, how the control valve will be represented in the P&ID, pressure instrument representation in the P&ID, and actual consideration is what? Level instrument in P&ID, flow instruments consideration and the representation in the P&ID. And then after we will see understanding of instruments and signal on the P&ID, that how signals we will read and understand on the P&ID. So these are the things we are going to cover under this course. So we will like to welcome you to our course, join our course, and you will definitely get the lots of important information regarding the P&ID. Thank you.